Hey there gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm going to talk to you about how you can do the Precipice of Echoes quest to unlock the Abyssal Nexus. So first things first, if you come up to the start of the puzzle just here, you're going to see where my dog has already jumped onto. We've got the first square effectively, which is sat up above the rest of them. It's in an elevated position. If we just go ahead and step on that, that will start the puzzle with all of the other blocks then raising up above it. And from here, all we want to do is simply go ahead and walk forward to the first highlighted square, like such. We'll then get this zoom out effect where we can see the wider puzzle, and then from here all we want to do is go ahead and walk backwards straight to where we came from, to the other lightning effect. Then we're going to take a left turn from here to our characters just onto this fishbone icon, like such, and then we're going to go ahead and walk down to the end bar 1, and then what we're going to do is basically do this kind of U-turn like shape towards that other fishbone just over there. So from here we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left turn, 1, 2, left turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from here simply go ahead and step onto the fishbone one, and then from here all we're going to do is go ahead and step onto the triangle. So from the triangle we're going to go forward, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from here we're going to take a right turn down towards that end bar 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, like such, and then from here we're going to take a right turn with the view of getting to that triangle over there. So then we're going to go 1, 2, like this, and then from here simply go ahead and step onto the triangle. We'll then zoom out again, and that will then reset the puzzle, and then we're going to do another U-like turn, this time round the tent-like hut symbol to get to the other triangle. So from here we're going to go backwards that way. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 up to here with 2 spare before we get to the end. We're going to take a left turn, so 1, 2, and then from here we're going to get to the triangle, so 1, 2, 3, onto the triangle we go. From here we're then going to step onto our favourite fishbone, and then from here, really nice and simple, we're just going to take 3 steps down to the next fishbone. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then from here we're going to then go ahead and step onto this lightning-like symbol looking thing just here in front of us. So that's 1, and then we're going to do the same thing where we're then going to walk all the way over to the other corner, just over there where the other lightning symbol is, and we're going to do it leaving 1 space at the end. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, take a right turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to the end here, and then we're just going to go ahead and step onto the lightning symbol. There we go. And then from here we're going to go ahead and step onto the wave symbol and make our way all the way down to the wave symbol just over there where my dog currently is. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then from here simply 1, 2, and then we're going to get onto this wave symbol, and then from here we're simply going to finish it off by stepping onto the tent-like structure just here, 1, and then we're going to walk all the way down to the other tent structure doing another U-turn like such. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and there we have it. We've now finished the game. So that is how we complete the Precipice of Echoes ruin in Crimson Desert. Really hope the tutorial helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.